Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Solana right here on AXI Broker. And for this, the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to your symbol list, and then right here we need to go to crypto, and then we need to search for Solana. So we search for this real quick and it's not standing right here. So what we're going to do next is we go right here to CFD2, and now we are searching for Solana. It's still not standing there. And now we are here at CFD3. And is it now standing right here? Yes, it's standing right here. So this is how you can search for a specific crypto. Then right here we click on show, and now we have standing Solana to US dollars right there. So now we throw this to the chart, and now we want to buy Solana. So we click here on new order, select right here the volume that you want to step in. It's also saying right here one lot is one token. Then you can create a stop loss or take profit on it if you want to do that. And then the only thing that we need to do right now is click here on buy by market. And now if you can see, we just created our position. And now if we scroll down to all our trade history, you see right here that we have a position on Solana. So this is how you can buy Solana on AXI Broker. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.